Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles in InShot 2025. Subtitles make your videos easier to understand and more engaging. And InShot gives you a simple way to add them. First, open the InShot app on your phone and create a new project. Port the video that you want to edit. Once your video is in the timeline, tap on it to make sure it's selected. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on Text. Here, you can type in your subtitle. After typing, you'll see options to move the text around and place it exactly where you want it on the screen, usually at the bottom. Next, adjust the timing. Drag the subtitle bar in the timeline so it appears at the correct moment in your video. You can repeat this process for each new line of subtitles you want to add. InShot also gives you style options. You can change the font, size, color, background, or even add animations to make your subtitles stand out. This is perfect if you want your captions to match your video's theme. Once you've added and styled all your subtitles, preview the video to make sure everything lines up correctly. If it looks good, tap Export to save your video with subtitles included. And that's it. That's how to add subtitles in InShot 2025 quick, creative, and beginner-friendly. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.